class as a preschool teacher takes the efforts of 20 mothers. Each day is a new adventure filled with laughter, learning, and love. No doubt, teaching is rewarding, but can sometimes feel overwhelming too. But even with all the love and effort, every teacher needs a helping hand. Less time to prepare, so more time in the class. Lilbeez pre-printed notebooks aligned with interactive textbooks. Along with Lilbeez Preschool book subscription, you will be entitled to lesson plan, curriculum calendar, performance sheets, and also teacher training sessions. Now you can embrace the strength of 20 mothers.